The City of Germantown receives, on average, 55 inches of rain every year. That's over 19 billion gallons of water. All of that water has to be channeled safely away from our homes and businesses.
So the City of Germantown is a little bit unique. It uses an intense network of pipes and drainage ditches to move that water through 241 miles of stormwater infrastructure in our city, thousands of catch basins, thousands of manholes that are interconnecting all of that system.
This is our sanitary sewer and storm sewer camera system. What we're doing here is filming the inside of a storm sewer pipe. What that lets us know is exactly, we can pinpoint where a leak is in the storm sewer system, and also it allows for us to show the resident if there is a sinkhole or something like that where there is a leak, so that we can make those repairs. The water came from, it's flowing from this way to this way, and it kind of eddies at that point.
This is Andy Sanders. He's the Assistant Director of Public Works for the City of Germantown.
See some of the vegetation, but here's where the point repair is, that our contractor will be making the repairs. That water during a very intense rainstorm will come behind the ditch and basically push upon these sidewalls and push them into the ditch. So that's what you have right here. This ditch was based on a 25-year storm. We're seeing 1,000-year storms. So we're just seeing these type of intense short duration storms we've never seen before. The majority of this infrastructure was built in the 50s and 60s, so over 50 or 60 years ago. Most engineers say that you have about 50 years of useful life in a stormwater asset, so it's nearing the end of its useful life.
It's just aging. Concrete is not supposed to last forever, and we're getting into that 50, 60-year range with a lot of the concrete. And with that, the just natural degradation of the concrete, much like a driveway, deteriorates over time. This same concrete is deteriorating.
In May, the Board of Mayor and Aldermen passed on first reading the city's proposed fiscal year 2022 budget. Included in the FY22 budget is a proposed increase in the average residential stormwater fee from $3.25 per month to $9 per month. On average, each Germantown residential property owner would pay about $69 more each year based on the proposed increase. This would be the first increase in the fee since it was established 11 years ago. The stormwater user fee pays for regular maintenance of the stormwater infrastructure, but it also pays for larger repairs, like this one.
The problem here was that the ditch wall was buckling over time. The contractor has now removed that section of sidewall, and he has dug a trench behind it. Here we have a chimney that is within a couple of feet of the ditch wall, so we need to make sure that we repair it well so that the resident's house is not in danger. So our stormwater infrastructure allows for us to maintain our quality of life. It takes the stormwater away from these rainstorms and puts them into a channel that takes it to our Wolf River Basin or Nonconna Creek. The user fee is very important to us because it provides the funding we need to properly maintain the stormwater infrastructure throughout our city. It also provides the capital improvements that are needed in order to repair that infrastructure that may need repair due to damage and deterioration over time.